Take full control of your Google Sheets and effortlessly filter the products you want to see using FlexSync.
To get started, head over to your Shopify dashboard, click on Apps, and then select FlexSync. Here, you'll find Add Filter to start filtering products. Click Add Filter. You'll notice a new set of filter options that allow you to define exactly what product data gets synced to your Google Sheets. For example, if you only want to see archived products, simply set up a filter like this. Choose Status in the field name. Select Equal to in the operator, and then type Archived as the value. After setting it up, click Sync on Google Sheets and perform a sync. You'll instantly see only archived products appear in your Google Sheets. Need more than one filter? No problem. You can easily add additional filters from the same settings page. Just click on Add Filter. Set your preferred conditions, and FlexSync will sync your data according to all the filters you've applied. This way, you have full control to see exact product data in Google Sheets.